How many? How much? How many slams in an old screen door? Depends how loud you shut it. How many slices in a bread? Depends how thin you cut it. How much good inside a day? Depends how good you live 'em. How much love inside a friend? Depends how much you give 'em. Shel Silverstein, A Light in the Attic. So many techniques to learn from this one poem. Notice the repetition of how many, how much, and depends how at the start of alternating lines. Repeating a word or phrase at the beginning of close-together clauses is a syntactical device known as anaphora that can capture a reader's ear and attention. And then there's rhyme. In this case, an alternating rhyme scheme where every other line remains unrhymed. Rhyme is another form of repetition. In this case, a combination of consonants, the repetition of consonant sounds within words, and assonance, the repetition of vowel sounds within words. And then, of course, there's the rhythm of the line. Though not following a traditional meter, the syllable count is 9 syllables, 7, 8, 7, 7, 7, 7, and 7 beats respectively, which makes it very easy to sound the rhythm out and keep the poem ringing in your ears a long time after you've read it. Even though it's not exact, it's very close and it has that nice flow to it. And of course, rhythm is itself the repetition of sound patterns. In what other ways does Silverstein use repetition in his writing? How do you use it in yours?